Guys, we're looking Sweetie, guys, morning and evening. Because as you know already, Sweetie is Harayo. She already lost for 5 days. And then my mother also, every time also she's going, Sweetie! Now we are riding in the scooty, just looking around. Oh my God, time check, guys, it's very 1 o'clock, 1:30. We are checking for Sweetie, where is she? Now we keep it going, searching to her, but we can't find. Hopefully soon we can find Sweetie, guys. Now, nothing talaga here. Nothing, my Sweetie, my love. Where are you, Sweetie? Sweetie! Oh my God, grabe ang init, guys. Super hot, guys, to make it found my baby doggy. Super cute pumpkin. Oh. Watermelon. Sophia favorite. Ano lang to siya, guys? Each ano. Yung 1 kilo is 50 rupees. It means, I think in the Philippines is at 25 pesos. Sophia favorite. Tomato, guys. Tomatoes here. You know where we are using for the pickles. Tomatoes. Hello guys, good evening. Welcome to my channel. Since 5 days, guys, today's 5 days, I'm already sad because before Sweetie is lost, and then finally in the 5 days we found it, my mommy. Since she already left, oh my God, every day I'm crying. We go anywhere because from here to there it's like 20 minutes with my mother house. And then my husband is carrying to Sweetie in the scooty, and then she ride also. And then mostly, if she already lost that area, she will return back. But unfortunately, that time she lost. We never found third, second, first, second, third. I'm become crazy. I'm always crying every day. Yesterday we have an argue with my husband. I make it argue with him. We are fighting because I miss Sweetie. And then finally, my mommy, she already keep a secret. Morning and evening, she go in the other road in the market. Finally, she found Sweetie. And then, thanks God, whoever adopt for Sweetie, they are very kind-hearted. Only when Sweetie already saw mommy, oh my God, Sweetie is like, like that, she's calling, like this. And then like she's holding with my mom. And then after mommy calling to me, and then I called to my husband to pick up there in the market. And then when Sweetie came home, oh my God, she already noticed when her daddy coming to pick up her, she's very driving in the scooty and then carry like this. And then when she come home in the outside, just very smiling. And then after that, I make eye contact. Oh my God, you know what, guys? I'm crying. She also crying. I told to my sister because my family is also in chatting. I told to my sister, look at the eyes of Sweetie. She's crying. She here, Kibansa. Here, what is name? Her tears is only pull out also, guys. It means she missed out also. And then as per to the person who adopt her, she told she never eat. Only they give only like a meat and rice. She never eat in 5 days. Like she's missing home. And then they take shower for her, and then she buy shampoo for her, who is the over adopted. I'm so blessed that whoever taking care of my dog, Sweetie, thank you so much for taking care for 5 days. But my heart was broken because since baby, this girl, her mother already died, the princess. Since baby, I'm already make like, oh my God. You will feel if you are a dog lover. If you have puppy, you can feel what I feel, guys. Now, I'm very happy because I already post in my another social media because of this one to find out. But finally, I found it. Oh, hi! Thank you so much for the prayers, especially to my mother-in-law. Thank you so much for looking for Sweetie. Now we're blessed. Thank you. Sweetie take shower. Welcome home, Sweetie. Home sweet home. Now there's in queue, guys. Going to take shower. Because every time go outside now, there's insect. That's why they take shower today. Hop, chup.
Mommy! What?
Don't.
Wait, what? Bida, no. No.
What nice mom?
This dog is taking shower. This dog is taking shower.
Tara.
Sweetie.
What happened? Cold.
It's very cold.
It's very hot.
On the water.
On the water, please. Rainbow, rainbow, shower, rainbow, rambo, rambo.
I want to watch Daddy eat.
You watch Daddy.
Mommy, I want to watch. Mommy, I want to watch.
This one.
Okay, let's watch. I watch.
Don't touch.